Hello, I'm Nigel Yule, Senior Director of Product Marketing for Enterprise Performance Management at Oracle. I'm here at OpenWorld. I'm joined by one of our customers, Andrea Tapp from Investec. Andrea, thank you so much for joining us.
No problem at all, Nigel.
And Andrea, I know we've talked a little bit about what you do, and the big new thing you're doing, I guess, is reporting using our Enterprise Performance Reporting Cloud service.
Yes.
So let's start. Obviously you're using that product, but where's your data coming from? Where's the data coming from that you're actually reporting?
We've got a lot of on-premise, so we're using Essbase and planning. We also have some data that isn't in a source system, so we've got some information in Excel.
Right. So that's where your data's coming from. You're connecting directly from the cloud service, and then you're producing a whole bunch of different reports. So what sort of reporting are you doing, and what sort of frequency?
Okay. We have a lot of different commentary that we need to pull together. It's always been a very manual process, so we're using it for internal reporting, management reporting, executive dashboard type of reporting, also information over our budgets and forecasts, which is very important. And then externally we have to send commentary to regulators, and because we're an international bank, we have two sets of regulators, South Africa and the UK. So lots of different areas where we need to pull together similar commentary but different points of view, so it's just pulling all of those things together for us.
And managing that whole process, that workflow and so on. Yeah. And I know you said that you're a bit surprised you've started to find lots of things that you could do with it.
Yes, yeah, it's very much because there's so much manual process at the moment, really, which is very common, but it's just the fact that you've got that information now systemically, so you can share that with other people in the business, and we didn't really sort of think of how beneficial that would be to have all of the information in one place. You can look at previous months, see what you said then, see how appropriate that is for a quarterly report, say, if you're looking at some monthly information.
Yeah, so having that source of all the information in one place. But also, I mean, I guess, as a bank, you've got a lot of quite sensitive information, so I guess security is a particularly important thing as well for you.
Yes, it is, definitely. So, it was interesting for us to really go on that cloud journey to see how we could use it and think about the security aspects around it, but certainly our data is very much on-premise, so we're safely holding that where we want it to be, and then we're able to just put in information as we need to. Yeah.
Right. And in terms of the benefits overall, what do you think it's really brought to Investec in terms of that new reporting and enabling that type of reporting?
Yeah, I think just the fact that there's a nice process around it, people can follow it really intuitively, they know what they have to do when, they can see their piece of the report versus other people's, and really it's making sure that we're getting all of those really good new features that come out with the regular releases, so we know that we're always up to date, we're getting the latest technology and keeping ahead of the curve.
No more of those great big upgrade projects, right?
Indeed, yes.
Andrea, thank you ever so much for sharing that. Really appreciate you spending some time with us.
No problem.
And thank you for joining us.